Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I've dropped 10 kilograms, so I'm super proud of myself, but I'm still cooking. So today we're doing this super delicious ginger ground beef, and the great thing is you can make it in about 15 minutes, or you can pop it in the fridge and, just leave it and then reheat it anytime you want. So let me walk you through this. So I'm going to kick things off here by adding some oil to a pan, and this is medium-high heat. Add in half a kilo of ground beef, and you can use ground pork if you like too. And I'm just going to kind of divide this up, and we're going to fry this for a few minutes just until it's nicely browned. By the way, guys, let's do a corny joke. What is the cow's favorite musical note? B flat. Okay, now our beef is nicely browned. It's time to add some shallots and some ginger. And this is about a thumb-sized ginger. And about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. And just give this a stir around. Oh, this smells so incredibly delicious. Now we're going to add in a bundle of green beans. And I should mention, if you don't like green beans, you can use mixed veggies. A couple of green onions that I've chopped up. And you want to fry these for a few minutes, just until the green beans are tender crisp. And you don't want these too soggy, you want them a little bit crisp. Now it's time to add in our seasoning, so I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of sugar just to balance things out, of course some ground black pepper. I just love pepper. And the juice of half a lemon, just to add that acidity. And of course we're going to give this a toss. So delicious. After a few minutes, kill the heat. There you have it, our 15-minute ginger beef. Okay, what I'm going to do is plate this up beside a bed of steaming rice. Oh my goodness. Guys, this smells so good. Okay, let's give this a taste test. This is so good. The spices combined with the rice, the beans, the onions. You gotta try this. You can make this in about 15 minutes. Incredibly delicious. Great midweek meal. Oh my gosh, I can't stop eating this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool and great stuff over there. Thanks for subscribing, and see you next time.